feeling like your eyes are heavy, strained, and your forehead lines are getting deeper by the day? Then today's face yoga routine is for you. So, this session is all about releasing eye strain, smoothing forehead lines, and bringing back that fresh and relaxed look with the help of a beauty massage and acupressure techniques, which are specially designed to work on this area. So, what are we going to do? See, we will begin with a 1 minute massage with Kumkumadi oil, working to release the tension from the neck, from the shoulder, from the face, so that the face can relax, the eyes can brighten up. Then we will tap the entire face area, a gentle yet very powerful technique to reduce puffiness, release tension, and awaken the tired eyes. Then in the main face yoga routine, we are targeting eye strain relief massage and eye strain relief exercises, forehead line smoothing exercises. We'll use moves to lift the brow area, open up the eyes, and smooth out the expression. And then we move into a nice long massage based on acupressure. We will be pressing some special and secret points on your hand, feet, face, and head to release the areas where stress gets stored. The release and especially press the areas which are activating the beauty points and help us in brightening the skin. And as we flow through this face yoga routine, let the background music, which is specially composed to calm the mind and enhance your inner beauty, guide you into deeper states of relaxation. Because relaxation is the key ingredient for getting a nice facelift. So stay with us till the end because there is a special surprise to keep your eyes bright and your forehead smooth all day. So stay with us till the end. And you know what? We do live like this every single day on YouTube. So make sure to attend these free face yoga sessions every day. Daily habits make all the difference. So subscribe now to keep your everyday access. So ready? Are you ready to smooth your lines, lift your eyes, and release the tension naturally? If you are ready, type READY in the comment section and let us begin. Take a deep breath. All right, so let's begin the pre-massage routine. So, सबसे पहले we will be putting face toner. Make sure whatever face toner you are using, it is chemical free and completely certified organic. Okay, so I'm using a witch hazel base. Just feel the freshness. And on this slightly damp skin, we are going to put just 1 to 2 drops of Kumkumadi oil. Again, an oil that is known for its pigmentation reducing effect, for brightening, for glowing skin. And on this damp skin, we are just doing a pre-massage. The proper massage will come in the end, but this one is just to give the skin a little bit of pre-workout nutrition so that for face yoga, we are ready. Make sure to tap it a little bit under the eyes. Press this point. Just rub your hands, and when they are warm, put it on the face. That will really help with absorbing the oil. All right. So we will do tapping now. Okay, so we tap the entire face muscles. This will improve the blood circulation in this area that we are tapping. And you put enough pressure so that, there is each and every muscle starts waking up. We are waking up the muscles in the neck area, on the face area, and also under the eye. Okay, so we start with under the eye. This is very soft tapping. You could close the eyes or open. And deep breathe as you do this. Even on top of the eyes, under the eye. Just tap every point slowly, slowly. If you do it with left hand, it might feel a little difficult, but do it. See, sometimes when you do things with left hand and it feels difficult, that's a good thing. You're working on your brain as well. To get comfortable in the things that feel uncomfortable. Okay, now we do with fingers. Wake up the sleeping muscles. Now you just rub your hands and put it on the entire face. Feel the energy. One more time. Take a deep breath. Okay, now we do exercises focusing on eyes and forehead. So the first one is eyes half close exercise. So what do we do here? First we widen the eyes and then we narrow it like this. But forehead should be relaxed. You can also keep a hand on the forehead when you do it. First you expand it, then you narrow it. And when you narrow it, at that time to increase the pressure, start looking up. So you should feel it here. Under the eyes is where you should feel it. And this we are going to do 30 times. And what does it benefit? So it's very good for eyes muscles. It prevents sagging and also it improves focus. So it's actually good for your eye strength as well. Okay? So we expand and then shrink. Expand, shrink. 30 times we are going to do looking up. So first you look straight and then when you shrink, then look up. Okay? So let's do the other one. So we'll expand, look straight, shrink. You feel it here. If looking up is becoming difficult, you can also do look straight. And then once you become experienced, you can also start looking up. Okay, now we move to the next one, which is eye rotations. So this one you may have done before as well. So what do? We look up, down, left, right, and we keep on moving in a circle like this. So we will do 5 clockwise circle and then 5 we are going to do anti-clockwise circle. So 5 clockwise, 5 anti-clockwise. Inhale towards the end of the circle, exhale. Inhale, this side, exhale. And when you do anti-clockwise circle, inhale, exhale, like this. Okay, so let's start with clockwise circles first. So 30 seconds we are going to do clockwise and then 30 seconds anti-clockwise. So we have done 5 clockwise. Now we'll do 5 anti-clockwise. You can keep a hand on your forehead if you are feeling some stress on the forehead, or you can do it like this also. But make sure not to wrinkle the forehead. Alright, so we are done with eye rotations. Now that you will be feeling some pressure in the eyes, so what we are going to do? We are going to do palming. So the exercise number 3 in this module is palming. So what are we going to do? Just rub your hands till the time they are a little hot, so like a little warm. So we are doing palming and then we put it on the eyes. And when you pull it out, try to create a vacuum with the hands, and then so when you pull it out, there is like a sound which comes. So let's do it. So make it warm, put it on the eyes and create a vacuum and push out. So this will really be very good for tired eyes. It reduces stress and enhances relaxation. So we do it for 1 minute. Yeah, last time, make it warm. And then on your entire face and neck area. Alright. So the next exercise is laugh line massage. So what are we going to do? We are going to move our tongue in this area in small circles like this. So first we do on the right cheek and then on the left cheek. So you just put your tongue on one side and then keep rotating round and round. So this is really good for so it exercises your tongue as well as your cheek muscles. So let's do it. We do it for 1 minute, 30 seconds right side and 30 seconds on the left side. So now we do on this side. So first we go up, then we bring it down, small circles. While bringing down, make it anti-clockwise. So your tongue is also getting good exercise and it's exercise for brain as well. Okay. So now we will start with the massage for Swadhisthana Chakra. We will be pressing 12 different areas from bottom of the feet to top of the head. So we will go one by one, and each area we are massaging for between 30 seconds to 1 minute. We will keep guiding you. So let us start, and we will do it on a very nice Carnatic rag, which is known to stimulate Swadhisthana Chakra and create peace and creativity in our life. Okay, let's start. And make sure whenever you are using any oils for massage, we have to make sure they are organic and chemical free. We don't want to be massaging these important points with chemicals. Okay, start. The first point is this thumb upside and on the bottom. This toe, left feet, and when you massage, focus on those points. Breathe deeply as you do this massage. Press the point hard. Make sure to cover all areas. Now on the right side, same thumb. Breathe deeply. Now we move to the ankle points. So this is the point. Now on the right leg. Breathe deep and relax on this music. And when you massage, this has to be with a feeling of devotion, no judgment. Now thumb, this is the area, both sides of the thumb. Okay?
Complete thumb. Now this side. Breathe deeply and relax on this music. Now we'll do the wrist. This wrist. Focus on the music, on your breath, and on the point you're pressing. Now, middle part of the head. Take hair oil.
स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा
Middle part of the
महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितमहागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितमहागणपतिं
very slow circles. Now we'll do on the ear for 1 minute. Front of the ear. Then back side. Just slow movements, entire ear.
महादेवसुतं
Your ear has got a lot of pressure points.
महादेवसुतं
We'll go from the ear to the neck.
महादेवसुतं
Side of the neck. Circle.
महादेव महादेवसुतं महादेव महादेवसुतं महादेवसुतं पम प प प पम प प पा प म प नि प म प नि प मा नि प म ग म रि रि स नि स स रि 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 ग रि ग ग ग ग म नि नि प प म ग म प म ग म प म स
We'll press from the shoulders to the wrist.
pa 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 ma pa pa ma ba ni ni sa ni pa pa ma ga ma ba ni ma ba ni ga ma ba ni re ga ga ma ma
Then this point,
ma ba ni re sa ni sa ni sa ri ga ma ri sa ni sa ma ni sa ni pa ni pa ma ga ma ba ni sa ma ni sa ni pa ni ri sa ni pa ma pa sa ni pa ni pa ma ma ha de
now we will move to the face massage.
Okay, we'll just take 1 or 2 drops of kumkumadi oil. First, feel the aroma. Now, this is the area that we have. Small pinch. I hope you loved today's face yoga routine. But if you want to go deep beyond face yoga, then this is for you. At UVAP, we believe everybody is unique, which means your nutrition, movement, relaxation, and detox plan should be entirely yours too. And that's why we offer personalized wellness program, a program that is tailored exactly to your lifestyle, your body type, your goal, and your energy levels. See, because real results come from routines that fit you and which are completely personalized for you. So you can check the link below to get started with the plan, and I would see you on the inside. Bye bye.